Hi guys, and welcome to another WordPress video. This is Jamie from System22 and webdesignandtechtips.com. Well, today we're going to show you how to reset your WordPress password from your cPanel database, or if you're using localhost as I am here, from your localhost database. It's the same principle. So I'm sure you've all had it if you've tried to log into a site and you forget your password, or a customer of yours can't remember the password to their site because they've had it for so long. Go to the old WordPress admin and you lost your password, and they don't have the email address that was associated it, or it was built by somebody else and they don't have their email either. So you're stuck. So what you need to do is go into your database and actually change it that way. Now, to find out what database it's using, if you've got multiple sites on their site, you can go to your files, and these will be in your file manager if you're hosting. Mine's on my local host here, like I mentioned. You want to open the WordPress config file here, or WP config file, and that'll be in your hosting. It'll be in your public HTML file. It'll be exactly the same as this. So let's open the config file. I'm using brackets text editor. If you're doing it online, you'll be able to use the online editor for your hosting or your cPanel. I'm opening mine with the great brackets text editor, and here it is. It's given us the name of the database, the user, and the database password. So we're looking for Power H is the name of this particular one. So let's go to my phpMyAdmin, and it'll be the same if you're on your cPanel. Go to your phpMyAdmin. And here's a list of databases if you've got multiples. Like I say, if it's one client and they've only got one, you're going to know exactly which one to go. So there's the one we want to look at here. And if we click on it, we can go into the database. We want to look for users. And here we go. We got 2 users there. I'll reset my own password there, Jamie. And to do that, we simply need to go into the edit. And if you look down here, you'll see user password. And it's a crazy code because it's kind of encrypted with one of these styles here. So what I'm going to do is select that, put in my new password. You want to make it something pretty secure. I'm going to put a simple one in for this today though. Okay, now you've put that simple password in. You want to change it, you want to make it encrypted. So we'll go over to this little drop down right here. I'm going to go to MD5. There we go. When we're ready, we'll hit go. As you can see up there, it's encrypted it for us. So let's now go to the site and we'll refresh the page. Put in the username. Put in the new password. And log in. And as you can see, it's let us straight back in here. So there you go, guys. That's how easy it is to reset the password using your database. Simply go in there, edit it, re-encrypt it with MD5, go back and log in. And that can be a real lifesaver. So there you go, guys. I hope you've enjoyed this today and found it useful. If you have, please give it a thumbs up, ring the bell, comment, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Once again, this has been Jamie from System22 and webdesignandtechtips.com. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.